To save a customized dashboard and set preferences, perform the following steps. Create a personal, customized view of your dashboard page. Saved customizations allow you to save and view dashboard pages in their current state with your most frequently used or favorite choices for items such as filters, prompts, column sorts, drill analysis, and section expansion and collapse. By saving customizations, you do not need to make these choices manually each time that you access the dashboard. Click Page Options, then Save Current Customizations. The Save Current Customizations dialog box appears. Name your customization Report 1 Sales. Then you click OK. You can apply the saved customization to a dashboard page. Click Page Options, apply Saved Customization, then Report 1 Sales. Set your preferences. You use the Preferences tab in the My Account dialog box to specify your personal preferences, such as dashboard starting page, locale, and time zone. The available options depend upon your privileges. Click your user ID on the global header and then select My Account. The My Account dialog box appears. Other tagged pages in the My Account dialog box include the following. BI Publisher Preferences. BI Publisher Preferences allows you to view the default profile for the BI Publisher. Delivery Options. Use this tab page to confirm your delivery profiles for the delivery of alerts and agents. Roles and Catalogs. Roles and Catalogs. Use this tab page to view a list of the roles to which you have been assigned by the Oracle BI administrator. Click the Starting Page drop-down list and scroll to view the available pages. Only the dashboard pages to which you have privileges appear in the list. Notice that your personal dashboard page created in the subtopic Creating a Dashboard appears. Select the My Dashboard as your default and then choose your location. For me, the location is the United States and the language, as you notice, is English. And then use interface language, which is again English. The time zone, you can always select the time zone that you live in. Mine is Central, or I can choose to use the default time, US Central Time. Click OK. And to verify your starting page is now set to the My Dashboard Report 1 Sales dashboard. You may want to log out and log back in, and your start page should display the My Dashboard Report 1 Sales. Let's go ahead and do that. At this point, we'll log out, then we'll attempt to log back in, then sign back in. You'll notice that this time we have not gone to our main home page, which is the BI home page, which allows you to start creating analysis, but rather it has taken us to the home page for the My Dashboard. Which is what is displayed here. Next, you will learn how to add prompts and use presentation variables on your dashboard. In this topic, You will learn how to create a named dashboard prompt and use a presentation variable. Prompts allow you to select values to filter data and are created at either the analysis or dashboard levels. As with filters, prompts that are created at the analysis level are saved as part of the analysis and called inline prompts. Inline prompts are created and edited in the Prompts tab page in the analysis editor and filter only the associated analysis. Dashboard prompts are named prompts in the sense that they are saved in the catalog and can be reused to filter analysis in multiple dashboards and dashboard pages. There are 4 types of prompts. There is column prompt, current prompt, image prompt, and variable prompt. This lesson focuses specifically on named dashboard column prompts and the use of a variable prompt in declaring and populating a variable. Creating a named dashboard prompt. A dashboard prompt is a special kind of filter that filters any analysis embedded in a dashboard which contain the same columns as the filter. Dashboard prompts can set or update variables. They can initially populate presentation variables or otherwise overwrite repository and session variables. Named prompts in the catalog can be applied to any dashboard or dashboard page that contains the columns specified in the prompt. A named prompt is interactive and will appear on the dashboard page so that the user can prompt for different values without having to rerun the dashboard. You can create and save these named prompts to a private folder or a shared folder. To create a named dashboard prompt, you will perform the following. Create a named dashboard prompt for brand that specifically filters the data for enterprise. Click New, then Dashboard Prompt on the global head and then select the pane subject area. The definition pane appears. The definition pane allows you to add, organize, and manage a named prompts columns. You can use column prompts, image prompts, or maps, current prompts, and variable prompts. The definition table lets you view high-level information about the prompts column. You can also use this table to select columns for editing or deleting, arrange the order in which the prompts appear to the user, or insert row or column breaks between prompt items. The display pane is a preview that allows you to view the prompt's layout and design. In the definition pane, click the new prompt icon and then select column prompt, then expand the product, then select brand, then you click OK. The new column prompt dialog box appears for the prompt for column field, which allows you to view information about the column that you selected as the prompt. This appears only for column prompts. The label text box allows you to enter a meaningful label that appears on the dashboard next to the prompt. Select a brand in the label box. Select the operator, accept the default which is equal to or is in, and then accept the default for choice list, and then once all the defaults have been selected, you can go ahead and click on more options. Choose enable user to select multiple values and enable user to type values. If these 2 options are already selected, you may want to uncheck the enable user to type values and check the required user input, and then you click OK. That creates one column prompt which is called select a brand, and the preview pane at the bottom shows you the select a brand prompt with a drop down list, which allows you to select either a product or multiple products, or you can click on search to search for the specific product that you're looking for. Save the prompt in the patent reports folder as brand prompt. And you can give it a short description if you choose. And then you click OK. That saves the prompt as brand prompt in the paint folders. You can drag and drop the brand prompt to any of the dashboards that you've created. You can go ahead and edit this dashboard. Navigate to the paint reports folder. That's where the brand prompt is being saved, and we can place it above the report 1 section, save it, and run it. You will notice that report 1 section allows us to choose what kind of data we want to display, and at the same time you will have a new item that you've added to this. So you can clear the entries, and this is how you include a prompt to a dashboard. And this is just for demonstration purposes. You may not necessarily have to place it or place all the reports in the middle of your dashboard. We can easily left or right align them as we please, as long as it presents the data in the best way possible. Go back to the Edit Dashboard view, Options, Edit Dashboard. Once we get back into the Edit Dashboard view, we want to click on Select Scope. And once we select Scope, we want to apply this prompt to the entire dashboard. And if you apply the scope to the entire dashboard, it means that everywhere you're using the brand name, the prompt will become effective and be able to apply that filter to that given dashboard. It's not specific to a section or a report on the dashboard. Save the dashboard and run it. We return to the home page. In the next section, I will show you how to use a presentation variable.